Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. I'm going to try to get a dishcloth made up of my bits and pieces of cotton yarn I had left over. We will try. So we are using my Bumpy dishcloth pattern. It's a size G hook. So we are going to start out. I'm going to make a chain. My blog post said 40, but that's way too long. We're going to do 20. We're going to make a chain of 28 to start out with. 1, 6, 7. This is 28. And I think, and I'm going to zoom out. Yeah. I think that'll be, I don't want to go too much bigger, but the only little bit I have, so that'll be good. We did a chain of 28. So we want to make your foundation chain an even row. If you want to make this bigger or smaller, or if you want to use this pattern, don't have to be a dishcloth. It can be a scarf or a blanket, just as long as you start with a foundation that is an even number. Zoom back in. All right, so we're all this first row. All it is a single crochet row. So okay, sorry. In the second chain from the hook, you make a single crochet. A single crochet is made by you insert the hook in, draw up a loop, and yarn over and draw through both loops. So you put your hook in your stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through both loops. So we're going to do a single crochet in all the remaining chains here. Should have an odd number of single crochets, which would be 27. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we do want an odd number. So, but I'm going to change color. So I'm going to back up out of that one. I'm going to switch. We'll switch to this white, and then we would draw up the final loop in the new color. Chain 1 and turn. So we're going to do a single crochet in the first stitch. The next stitch is what we call a triple or treble. I'm sorry, it's a treble crochet. So to do that, we would yarn over twice. You insert your hook in your stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw over 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops again, and yarn over and draw through the remaining 2 loops. Then we do next stitch is a single crochet. The next stitch again is a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, put our hook in our stitch, we join up a loop, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops again, and then yarn over and draw through the remaining 2 loops, and then single crochet in the next stitch. And then we're just going to repeat that across, and we should end on a single crochet, finishing off the last treble, and we're putting it into our last one. This is a single crochet. Chain 1 and return, you can probably see all our little bumpy effect from the treble crochet. So this is our right side of our project. So this row, we are doing a single crochet row. So we're going to do a single crochet in every stitch. Okay, we are toward the end, and I'm going to pick up my yellow back. Of course, you don't obviously have to. You can just use one ball of cotton yarn and don't necessarily have to keep switching off colors if you don't want to. I just am. So we're chaining one. We're going to turn. For this row, I guess this would be, so because we had a single crochet row, we did a row where we started with a single crochet and did a treble, and then we did another row of single. So this row is that we're going to do a single crochet in the first stitch and a single crochet in the next stitch. Then we're going to do our treble crochet. And then the next stitch is a single crochet, then a treble, and then a single crochet. We are going to keep doing this until we get to the last 2 stitches of our row. Okay, we are at the last 2 stitches of our row. We had just finished up a treble crochet. The last 2 stitches are a single crochet. Then I'm just going to introduce this other color, which is dark green. Again, you don't have to do this. Turn, and you can probably see that we're alternating where our little bumpies are for our bumpy dishcloth. And this row is just, again, on the right side, is just a single crochet row. All right, we are at the end here. We're gonna draw up this other yarn, this other color we were working on. Chain 1 and turn, and we're back to that's our 4-row repeat. So you just repeat the last 4 rows we did. Just a reminder that we would start with a single crochet and a treble. We do that across. In this row, it is our single crochet row. And this is the other. So in this bumpy row, this is where we do a single crochet in the first 2 stitches of the row, and then we would proceed on with a treble crochet, then a single crochet, treble crochet, and then a single crochet, and then we repeat this across until we got to the last 2 stitches. The last 2 stitches are a single crochet. See how it's coming along. So this row is a single crochet, and that again, that is our 4-row repeat. So you just repeat these 4 rows till you get the size we want. I've reached. There you are. I did. I got this as long as I want to make this. And I think I repeated the 4-row repeat 5 times for this. So I think we can end it here and just finish it off. But I'm going to do a single crochet around the ends. So I'm just going to turn it. I already have a single crochet row on this side. I'm just at this point just going to chain 1 and just single crochet evenly along the side. Okay, so I'm now at the end here. Sometimes, you know, I know sometimes sometimes you want to put like 3 single crochets to turn a corner, but every so often what I would do is I would chain 1, would do a, okay, let me get a little closer there. All right, so I chained 1, did a single crochet into kind of the side of the last single crochet that we just did, and then we just single crochet evenly across, and I might crochet around these ends along the way so I don't necessarily have to sew them up later. Maybe before I'm going to chain 1, I'm going to turn to the side, single crochet in the first chain, or along the side of that last double crochet or single crochet we just did, and single crochet up this row. And we'll still see, we're going to see about crocheting around our ends. We're going to end by doing a single crochet to that, and then that's it. I'm going to finish, that's it. I'm going to finish this off so we can see. Yeah, that is that bumpy textured dishcloth. And it says this was a project that I had used up some of my scraps, but you definitely don't have to change colors every row. You can just leave it one solid color. So I hope you did enjoy this tutorial, and if you did like this bumpy tutorial and want to make one of your own or several of your own, this would probably make also a great gift. Please like this video, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you as always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.